Welcome, in front of me I have TCL 20 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can create folders on the home screen. So for example, I'm going to adjust these icons. So we have to click, hold and then drag icon for another one, just like that. Now take a look. Oh. As you can see, it's not that easy. So okay, so as you can see, when we try to make it with optimize, it's not going to work. So for some widgets that you have on this home screen, as you can see, that's widget. It's not the normal application icon. So when you try to make folder with widget, it's not going to be activated. You have to choose normal icons from normal apps. So there we got browser and gamebox, and right now when you make that move, drag icon for another one, the folder will be created. And take a look, when you try to add here the widget icon, it's not going to work. So we have to remember to use only apps application, apps icons, and after that you can click, hold, drag and then put it here. When you tap on that folder and click on the unnamed folder, we can change name of that folder and continue by tapping on the switcher on the right bottom corner, and we can move that folder like any other icon. And if you want to remove that folder, click, hold and then drag it to the right upper corner, just like that. So as you can see, that's how we can make it. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.